Zabaglione al cioccolato. Zabaglione is an old tradition in Italy. They make it all over Italy, and basically is sugar, Marsala wine, and egg yolks. And you whisk it over a double boiler until it becomes creamy and frothy. So this is the Marsala. These are the eggs, only egg yolk. And this is the sugar. What's important is that you mix the ingredients before you put it on the double boiler. So I have those mixed and the sugar. We put it over a pot with water. You don't want the water to be boiling, but you want it to be just about at the boiling point. And you don't want the water to touch the bottom of this pan, because then you'll get scrambled eggs. And what's important is that you continue to whisk. If you overbeat it, overcook it, it can fall back down and you have a flat zabaglione. So you have to incorporate this air continuously, nice and gently. And then you can flavor this zabaglione. Once it's nice up and frothy, I have here, I'm melting some chocolates and some cream over a mellow heat, not too high. Just let it sit there. Slowly it would melt and you will get your chocolate sauce. Very simple. So do you have to stay here and whisk it? You do. You know, I can leave it for a minute, but I want to watch it. You see as it's getting thicker and thicker. Maybe it's halfway there now. Let me show you. The water is not boiling, but it's hot. And sometimes you feel like you have not washed it close enough and you begin to see the side kind of stick. Take it right off. Lower that temperature. Take it off, mix it, and then go back on. So you can do that, you know? Cooking is all about your reaction to what's happening. But remember, you're in control of that heat. So this is a good time for a little Italian lesson while I'm whisking and while the zabaglione is cooking. Zucchero. Zucchero is sugar. Uovo, that's a singular egg. Uova, it's plural. I'm paying attention here. It's getting thicker and thicker. Biscotto. Biscotto is a cookie. So I'm thinking of all of the ingredients we're going to have in this dessert. Cioccolato is chocolate. That's almost a universal. Nocciole is hazelnuts. It's a labor of love, this dish, but it's a delicious labor of love when it's finished. So it's getting nice and thick. Just when it kind of forms those ribbons, that's when it is ready. So let me check on the chocolate. The chocolate is also nice and smooth. Let's take the So we'll let this chill in the refrigerator, and then we'll add some whipped cream, and it's gonna be a delicious, fluffy zabaglione.
At Becco, there's a lot of love put in the zabaglione, and there's a lot of whisking, and then there's a lot of folding, and then it has to set up a little bit in the fridge. And then we make a chocolate mousse, which is zabaglione. We do zabaglione with Sanway Juda and fresh fruit. And it's put in a wine glass. And people love it. It's so delicious because that Sanway Juda wine is delicious.
So the zabaglione, the chocolate zabaglione is chilled. A nice bowl of whipped cream, stiff whipped cream. Make it nice and stiff. And we're gonna combine the two. Just let's give this a little mix. And, whoops. Oh. Goodness, chocolate, 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 and more chocolate. We all love that. So you can mix it completely so it is all chocolate, or you can swirl it just like that and leave it in swirls for your presentation. Let me collect everything. Okay. So what do you do with a finger that's full of chocolate? Delicious. So now it's simple. You get some vessel that you want. You can be a parfait. It could be a simple glass like this. Okay. So you could put some chocolate chips, chocolate shavings, anything you'd like, or you could just put a nice cookie, a finger cookie, a savoiardi, just like that. Then you could put it like that in the refrigerator, so when you're ready for your guests, you just pull them out. But you make it an hour or two before, don't make it a day before, because cream really takes in the flavor of the refrigerator. So this looks so beautiful that I'm gonna taste right out of here. I wanna tell you how it tastes, so just like that, and just like that. Simple and delicious. Of Zabaglione with some cookies. Great Italian dessert. Chocolate again.